Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to add the following numbers. So the numbers are 7, 34.15, 29.66 and 0.87. So we always begin from the right hand side and then proceed towards the left hand side. So 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, so we put 8 over here. We have 1 as a carry, so add carry to 1, so 1 plus 1 will become 2, 2 plus 6 is 8 and 8 will be 16, so put 16 over here. We have 1 as a carry, so 9 plus 1 will be equals 10 and 10 plus 4 will be equals 14. So again we have 1 as a carry, so 3 plus 2 will be equals 5 and add carry to it, so it will become 6. And then we have 7, so 764.68 will be the required final answer. So let's write it over here, 764.68. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.